Hi, I'm Ella, and I'm creating and posting raw videos without so much of an edit because I have 3 goals. Number 1, I want to heal my visibility wounds because I know I'm meant to be famous and rich in a good way. Number 2, I want to lessen the resistance in uploading videos. And number 3, I want to be consistent. And for today's video, do you feel down, tired, and low energy in your personal, career, or business journey? Well, here's what I have learned. When I hiked Mount Pulag, there was a time that I was so tired, I was cold, and I was so sleepy. And it's just in the first station. But I keep moving forward. I keep walking and bringing my foot after the other. And then I see a mountain. Feeling ko, yun na yun. Sige, I'll continue. And then, lo and behold, there's another mountain. Tapos sabi ko sa sarili ko, baka yun na yun. And then it happened again and again. And I continue. I walked again and again. Until I see the sea of cloud. I reached the mountain. I reached the peak, the summit of Mount Pulag. Looking back, I realized that when I'm in a down moment of my life, it's not really a low level because the top of the first mountain is the foothill of another, meaning you have already come to your next level. And now you're not starting from the scratch. You're starting from experience, knowledge, wisdom that you have gained along the journey. So I invite you to acknowledge it, your progress, and celebrate it. And when you feel down, celebrate it even more because you welcome yourself into your new level of your success and your growth. That's the video for today. See you tomorrow. Mwah, mwah.